guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie Mermaid. This month we are celebrating Tim Burton and we decided to dress up as Barrel, Boogie's boys, Boogie's crew, Lock, Shock and Barrel. So today we decided to do a little bit of Barrel. Please ignore the picture of Shock. She's not supposed to be there. So we start off with the mouth using face paint. Kind of made a semicircle half moon shape, and then we went around on the outside and done another line to make the lips, and then we started doing the teeth. Drew lines very straight coming vertically down, and then we kind of curved the horizontal line just to make them look a little bit more cartoony. Using the same face paint, we went over all along the teeth. I don't generally like drawing on my lips. I find it really difficult, and I feel like I drink a lot of coffee and use a lot of vapes, and it does mess up the makeup, but it depends where you're going for this look. Tried not to do my bottom lips. Tried to leave that blank. We then started filling in the teeth with white face paint. Bless me. I tried to use the thinnest brush that I had, all from Amazon. Face paints are also from Amazon. It's like an eyeshadow palette, but you activate them with water. Really, really nice. They come out really pigmented, so that's fun. Oh, there's Barrel. Good job. I found the skeleton top on Amazon. It cost me £8, and I also bought the hairband with lollipops. There is supposed to be one in the middle, but it sadly broke while it was being posted, also from Amazon. I think I typed in lollipop hairband and then I spray painted the frilly bit. It was supposed to be pink, but I spray painted it black just to make it look a bit more creepy. Please ignore the hair. The wig cap is seen better days. Okay, it's seen better days. After filling all the teeth white, we then went in with the shadows and we filled in all the gaps with black face paint. I went over some of the lines as well, just to make it look a bit more obvious and a little bit more cartoony. We then took blue face paint and went over the lip lines. I did use eyeshadow, I think, for Lock and shock, but I felt like the face paint brought it out a bit more, and the eyeshadows kind of got lost with all the blue face paint and all of the white face paint mixed together. So we decided to use face paint for this instead of eyeshadow. We then started painting our face white using a white face paint from Amazon and a makeup brush. It was easier to do the mouth first. Just went all around my head. Being careful not to go over that face and the mouth just to mess up the lines. I was trying to be very careful. We also did the neck, up until the costume stops, of course. I didn't really want to get any white on this top. It's kind of new. Didn't want to mess it up yet. Before we went further with this look, I wanted to put the contacts in case I was pulling my eyes down and ruining the makeup. So I got these white contacts from Crazy Lenses. They're just white, spooky ones. Still learning to put contacts in, but we're getting better. We're getting better. It used to take me 20 minutes for each one, so we're slowly getting better. I don't think I've ever put contacts in without dropping one. I definitely just dropped it. They aren't hard to see in, but they are a little bit smoky. So it depends when you want to put them in. Some people wait until the very last minute to put them in so that it doesn't, they can see all the details. But for me, when I pull my eyes down, I feel like I ruin it a little bit. So I like to put them in before I do eye makeup. So we're just using some purple eyeshadow going around the eyes. we started to do the nose. So I just went around my nose and then I drew 2 little black slits in it. Added the eyelashes. I'm just using liquid latex to put the eyelashes on. You could probably use eyelash glue, but I didn't have any. Put a little bit of mascara on. I feel like this sticks to the eyelashes a bit better. Eyelashes are from Amazon. They're really dramatic and really, really long. I use these quite a lot. And then we just added some black eyeshadow and went around the mouth just to give it some little cartoony lines. And around the eyes as well. And look, we then added a green wig and I felt like this looked really good, and I also bought a lollipop from a sweet shop. The green wig is from Amazon and that is Barrel done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.